Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your badge maker using an easy method. First, carefully remove all components from the packaging. You will typically find the main machine body, a handle, and sometimes a cutting tool. Next, securely attach the handle to the designated slot on the badge maker. This usually involves a simple screw-in mechanism or a quick-release pin. Finally, position your badge maker on a sturdy, flat surface to ensure stability during operation. Now, let's prepare your badge materials. Print your chosen design to the exact size required for your badge maker, often 2 1/4 inches or 1 3/4 inches. Use the provided circle cutter to precisely cut out each design. Next, gather your badge components: the metal shell, a clear mylar film, and the pin back. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and efficient badge-making process. For the first part of assembly, place a metal badge shell into the lower die labeled A. Ensure it sits flat and centered. Then, carefully place your printed design on top of the metal shell, making sure it is face up. Next, lay a piece of clear mylar film directly over your design. This protects the image. Now, rotate the lower die, A, so it aligns perfectly under the upper mold. To complete your badge, pull the handle down firmly and completely. This action crimps the shell, design, and mylar together. Next, place the pin back into the lower die labeled B, ensuring the pin faces away from you. Rotate die B to align it under the upper mold. Finally, pull the handle down one more time with full force. Your finished badge will now be securely attached to the upper mold, ready for removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.